Okay, so now let's create this process method. So public function process, and then we start with URI equals server, and we go for request URI rather than I rather than L, and now we check if it's an empty URI. Then we're going to do URI Q equals explode, and we're going to explode using question mark URI to find if there are any dynamic parameters as well in the URL. Now URI equals URI Q, and it's going to be the first one 0 because dynamic parameters would be added to the URL after the static URL. And now we check if count URI Q is more than 1. That means that obviously we have not only static URL but also the dynamic one, because obviously this divider would exist in the URL. So then the second part, obviously we need to distribute to the relevant properties of this class. Then this string row equals URI Q1, so we pass the entire dynamic string basically of parameters to the specific property. Then URI row equals explode, and this time we're going to explode with the end symbol, and then URI Q1. So we're basically getting all of the parameters into the array. Now if count, and I'm going to copy this because I'm pretty sure I'm going to misspell it at some point. So count if there are more than just one, then what we do, we go for each URI row s key equals row, and this time we go this split row, and we split our row element. So this is if obviously there are more than just one parameter. Else what we do, we split row. I'm just going to copy this split row, but this time we're passing this URI row and just the first element, which is obviously index 0. So that's our dynamic parameters done. We will create the split row method later on. Now we can move to the next video and continue with this process method.